Hello dear students, welcome back to this session. Today in this session we are going to talk about hide turtle, that is HT command, show turtle, that is ST command, home, and CS, that is clear screen command. So without wasting time, let's start the video. First of all, I will open my Google folder, and after that I will tap on my Chrome browser. So first of all, let me select the mode as mobile mode because it was previously desktop mode. Now it is the mobile mode, and now we can select the second link, that is logo interpreter. So let me select this. Alright, so now you can see the turtle, right? In order to hide this turtle, we write HT command, and HT stands for hide turtle. Let me try this. HT. So pay attention. Can you see the turtle now? No, it was here, but now it has been disappeared. So this is the HT command. The next command is show turtle, that is ST command. You can write either show turtle, or in short you can write ST. So let me write show turtle, SHOWTURTLE. Either you can write completely or you can write ST. Okay, here this particular interpreter does not accept show turtle command, so we will simply write ST. So now you can see the turtle. By using the show turtle command, that is ST command, the turtle will appear on the screen. When you write HT command, then it will disappear. Now the next command is home command. Dear students, when we write different commands, turtle moves on the screen. Now in order to make the turtle or bring the turtle back to its original position, that is here, we can write the command home. Now first of all, let me click this particular button. Okay, here when you click here, full screen mode will be opened, right? So let me write here FD 100. Let me write FD 100. What will happen? Turtle will move 100 steps. Okay, now let me again write RT 90. Again let me write FD 100. Observe the result. Yes, now I just want to bring my turtle back to the original position, that is here. I will write the command home. Okay, so let me write home. Drawing will not be erased, but simply the turtle will come back to its original position. Yes, you can see turtle, the path of the turtle is like this. By using FD 100, see, by using FD 100, the turtle moved 100 steps. By using RT 90, turtle turned to right side. Again, by using FD 100, it will move 100 steps. By writing the home, it will come back to its original position. So these commands are very easy. Now let us see the CS command. CS command is used to remove all the screen. Okay, so let me write here CS. Simply I will write CS. Okay, if you can't see, then okay, zoom option is not available here, so let's write CS and let me run this. Yes, the command has run now. It ran. Okay, the turtle comes to its original position, and all the drawing is erased by using the CS command. So CS is used to clear the entire screen. CS is clearing entire screen, clear screen. So remaining three commands, that is clean, clear text and saving a file, we will see afterwards. So thank you very much. Bye, see you and take care.